Hi, we will install n8n in Google Cloud Platform. For do that, the first thing we need to do is to create a new project and link to a billing account. And I don't want to do that because I have this project, so I will use this project. And the first thing we need to do is to go to the library. You can search in the search part the library word, and we will search for any service that we need to enable in order to run n8n in GCP. The first of these services will be Cloud SQL, and this is the database part for the n8n services. And also we need to enable Cloud Run, where is the place that when run all the executions for our n8n. Also we need to enable Secret Manager, where is the passports or encryption case that n8n use to connect to the database and also encrypt all the information that they manage. So the first thing we need to do is to create this PostgreSQL instance. I am here configuring the very small thing that let me have the really low cost. And the first important thing in this case is the region. We need to select the same region here and also in the runner, so keep in mind what the region you select. I will here select a shared CPU and also lower my storage to a mechanical disk, hard drive disk. Also I will to disable these automated daily backups and to prevent the instance deletion, to let me in the future delete this rapidly, because this is only for the video. And yeah, I think that this is all. You see the cost is very low, so let's create the instance. And this takes some time, several time, and most time in this configuration, so I speed up the process in this video, so take patience with the process if you are already do it in your own machine. And next we create the database and create a user. This user is the user that a Cloud Run will use to access to the database, so we need to create and we need to store this password securely, so I will copy in a notepad. And next we need to create this passport in the Secret Manager. To do that, we need to go to the Secret Manager service. So I will search here for secrets and go to the service of Secret Manager and create a new secret, and the name of this secret will be for example n8n db passport, and the value of this secret will be this generated key in the last step that we do. And we will pass here and we will click on create secret. The next secret that we need to create is the encryption key. This is necessarily for n8n to run in Cloud Run, and maybe is a string of 16 or 15 length string, and it's recommended to generate it with a password generator or something like that. The next thing we need to enable is a service account in IAM admin service account. Create new one, give it whatever name that you really want, but the important thing is this: enable the SQL client permissions for this service account, and also this account need to read the secrets. So you need to enable the secret accessor. I will choose here and let's click in continue, and done with this part. And yeah, we have the secrets, the service, and the SQL. So now we can go to the Cloud Run part. For that we need to search for Run. I will click here in Cloud Run, and we need to create a new services. Is here in the above part, and here I will call my container image that this is here, the n8n IO, and the part that I said before, that is the region, the same region for my original database. In my case it's Iowa, but you can use whatever you want. In services scaling, I will put in 1 and 1 minimum and scaling, because I have very several issues when I choose more than one. You can change that after the machine is running. It's very recommended. And we need to connect with a SQL instance, so please select the instance that you have created before. In my case, I named as n8n Postgres, and we need to create the variables to the run access to all the variables. I will speed that process. You see all the variables that I will created, but also I need a new variable that is the PostgreSDB host. For half this part, I need to go to the SQL instance and see the place, the connection that is in this instance, and you can see the connection name here. So I will copy, I will paste on the variable, but I need to add something in the initial part, that is /cloud SQL/. So add this part, and this is all for the variables. We need now to point to the secrets, or reference a secret, and this is very necessary for n8n to run. For example, the connection to the passport, the connection to the database in Postgres, and also the encryption key that we talked before. So I will here pass my reference my secrets. Now we need to enable or connect the service account to get the access to that secrets and access to the database. I will select this. I have created another by mistake, so you only will see one. And please be patiently to this service up running. You can see how it's performing here in observability and logs, but the trick here is that the logs isn't automatically refreshing. You need to scroll down to get the services or the new logs printed in your screen. So be patiently and wait until the message that is running it's done. Please don't go to the URL, because this create a mistake or another instance running, and this make fail the migration that n8n go to the initial steps. So please be careful. Once this message is here, you can now go click and open the instance, but you have this error that you see here, and you can see all the calls that is made the page in the log bar. Take some time, isn't the best thing of GCP, or at least the Google Cloud Run, but you know, this is the thing that we have. And this error cannot get is really common, and the official advice that n8n team give to us is only keep refreshing for at least 5 minutes. It's really annoying, but this is the thing that we have. And yeah, finally the n8n first login is appeared, so yeah, the service is running. So this is all for this video. Please leave any comments, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.